Yep, welcome to more IFC. I will appreciate your time being here. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and click on the notification bell. And if you have already subscribed, don't forget to like, comment and share, and click on the notification bell. So let's get started. Measure your head circumference. Yeah, mine is 22. That is the head circumference, and the length of the heart 9. I made it 9. You can make it 10, you can make it 9.5, you can make it 8.5 or 8, but I made mine 9. So you fold it like this and you fold it like this again. Let's go back and fold it again. You fold it, you fold like this, and you fold. Yep. Then you fold it like this again to get the model. Yeah, we need it as well. You made a notch in that place. So I measure that place 3 inches. I measure that place 3 by turning to 4 inches. Yeah, I measure 4 inches at that place. And at top I measure 1 inch at the top there. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment. Click on the notification bell so anytime I post something. So you join it just like that. If you have a curve rule, I advise you to use the curve rule. That one is easier. Right here I don't have a curve rule, so I'm just using my hand sketch to make a curve. So if you don't have a curve rule, you shouldn't have to complain because I'm using my free hand. But don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment. Click on the notification bell anytime I post a video. You'll be notified that I post videos, so come and join in the pool. This is more IFC. Tell a friend to tell a friend about more IFC. Subscribe, like and share. Tell me what you think. And if you have a design that you want me to do a tutorial on it, you can leave it on the below comment. When I see people are commenting like asking that they want to learn how to do this, then I'll do it. The majority carry the vote. So you just have to cut it out. You can see how I just cut it out so beautifully. Getting my shape correct. So this is the pattern. The pattern has already been done. This you can leave it like that, or you can divide it into 2. But I prefer leaving it like that, so I get my fabric. This is my old top, so I'm using my old top. So I just pinning it. If you have a pin, you can just pin it. I prefer putting my, my scissors on it. Oh, I got a lot of scissors. So you just have to fix everything right. If you don't have anything to put on it, you can just pin it around it and cut it. But if you cut the pattern into 2 and you want to use half of it, you have to fold the fabric into into 2. But if you are doing like this, you just have to put it on it like that and just cut it straight away. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment. Click on the notification bell. So anytime I post, you can be notified. The reason why I use this old cloth of mine is because of the design at the bottom of the top. Yeah, I like the design at the bottom of the top. Yeah, that's why I'm making this Beanie Hat. I don't want to cut the design into 2, so I just want to use the design. So you can see I will show this part. Yep. just hope to show that part, to join them together. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Tell me what you think. Click on the notification bell. You do the same thing to the other part. Yep, let me 40-22. As we are almost done. Let me show around it. Just like that. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Tell a friend to tell a friend about more IFC. So this is how the Beanie Hat has been done. So simple and so easy and very fast way to do the Beanie Hat. Like I said, I love the design at the bottom. That is why I made this pattern. To use the button. Thank you so much for the time, for subscribing, for liking, commenting, and sharing. I will appreciate your time. So we are done. C'est fini. We are finished. This is it. Voila. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Tell me what you think. Peace.